I love my ached away massage gun, but I've always wished there was a way I could reasonably use it on my back. Ever ask yourself how you can massage gun your back without being a nuisance to someone to help you? Thanks, Rick. Just need to reach back there. I spent countless hours trying to find you all a solution for that hard to reach upper and lower back, but it has been impossible. Finally, I found something that helped me with this problem. The answer is that I found the BackBadger. I like this product so much I reached out to see if they would sponsor the video, and they agreed. So today I'm going to show you how, with the help of the BackBadger, you can massage gun your own back. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard on bringing some fun and inspiring merch for limited time. Check those out below. We appreciate your support. Many of us will experience back pain at one point or another. I myself had the misfortune of hurting my back being a collegiate sprinter and jumper. It kept me on the sidelines, and all I wanted was massages, like all the time. So many of you are lucky now that you have some simple solutions such as a massage gun that are available. The one area that massage guns can't reach is our lower upper back and even our heinies, and wait, also even the back of our legs. So I'm glad someone invented this product as another at-home solution for pain management. Having the BackBadger is helpful in so many ways, and this is a must-have accessory that can complete your self-help station. The BackBadger is easy to use and works with just about any massage gun. It comes in 3 pieces and snaps together nicely. You can attach the handle of your gun facing outwards, and like a ski or rollerblade boot, you can ratchet it till it's snug. Turn your gun on and find those hard to reach places. Enjoy. The BackBadger is a great gift idea. We will link the product in the descriptions below. Use the code Dr. Lin at checkout for 10% off. Let us know your thoughts on our video and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.